So, while cleaning the wood stove, I noticed this. That can't be good. Everyone's seen how Mother Nature's been wreaking havoc across the United States these past couple of weeks as far as weather goes. It's made it next to impossible for us to get out and do an adventure video safely. So we're going to do a how-to video today on how to change out the fire bricks in the Jotul F 500 series. Now, before we go any further, here's our disclaimer.
This is not meant to be an instructional video. We are not professionals. We are only attempting to repair our own wood stove. We are not responsible for anyone attempting this repair on their own.
Let's dive into the wood stove.
Now, all right, so there's 4 of them. They're very, very easy to take out, especially if they're cracked and they break on you. But to get any more out, this is able to slide. Oh, see, I'm gonna have to take care of all that too. Lift it up and pull it out.
Yeah. More cleaning.
Yep. So much for that cleaning job.
There we go. For a cracked brick, it was pretty strong. All right, we're gonna clean the rest of this up and we'll be right back.
All right, so we've cleaned up inside there now. We're gonna put the new bricks in. Just wanna let you know, that's one of the old ones. This is one of the new ones. These are 9 inches long, 4.5 inches wide, and 1.25 inches on the sides. Okay, if your wood stove calls for those, the link that I have in the description box down below this video will be where you can get some for yourself. Then it's just a simple matter of putting them back in. Slip up under the top lip, bottom lip, and slide it over. There's one. Told you it was easy. There's 2.
This is how they're packaged.
Yep.
They're wrapped in
Styrofoam stuff. Up and over. One more.
Oh, this is the hard one to get out. Let's see how it is going in.
Piece of cake.
Pretty.
All right, that didn't take too much time at all, so we don't have to keep you that long. But if you guys like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. Want to follow along with everything we do here on the WeRmudfun channel? Right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in. After you do that, don't forget to ring the bell and you'll be notified every time we put a new video out.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back. We always do. Until our next how-to video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl. Bye. Oop, there's your hand.
Chase my hand.
Piper's waiting because Chuck is in her way. Because this is her spot.